Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. You may have already noticed that the folder path in the Finder window is hidden by default on macOS. If you would like to know which location you are in within the folder system, go to the View tab in Finder and click Show Folder Path. This will reveal the folder path in every Finder window. You can also navigate using this path by simply clicking the folder you want to open. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment and let us know what would you like to learn next.